Hey! Hey! Hell no! Don't you hit my kid!
Today, we bring you shocking encounters where raging teens go against the law and face immediate consequences. Watch as their rebellious actions lead to instant regret when they clash with law enforcement. Stay tuned for intense and unforgettable moments.
Does that have to, what, okay. When you smoke or when you drink alcohol or anything that is intoxicating, okay, you can't operate the vehicle.
On the afternoon of October 6th, 2022, police initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle with an unreadable paper tag that had expired the previous month. The driver, 21-year-old Sydney, exhibited signs of impairment.
No,
When that
yeah, but I was
intoxication
parked
gets
when I
to-
smoked.
Doing fine.
Hang on, really finish the instructions. You're gonna go put your right foot, right heel to your left foot's toes, like this, in front of the line. Your arms are gonna be down at your sides. Yep, just like that. You're gonna watch where you go. Don't move until I tell you to start the test, okay?
After failing field sobriety tests, Sydney was arrested. During a search, she mentioned having a weapon belonging to her cousin.
Heel to toe steps. Stand. Okay, you can begin the test.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Continue the test, just like I demonstrated. We're gonna place you under arrest for suspected DUI, okay? Yep, just right now. All right, we'll explain more what's going on.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're under
just
arrest for operating a
keep
vehicle
facing that
intoxicated,
way.
ma'am. That's the
Just relax.
intoxicant we believe to be cannabis. Yeah. We're gonna stay live for the vehicle search, then we'll be off.
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Pardon me?
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Stop. Don't reach.
I've got a gun. Yep.
Wow, man.
Get let go of it! Let go of it! Let go!
Let go.
Let's go.
Let go of the gun!
I got it.
I'm sorry, let go. Just take it out, please. I'm sorry. I'm scared. This sounds traumatized.
We're calm, we're good.
I can't breathe.
Well, you don't grab it if you fire it or you shot
I'm
somebody.
sorry. I was gonna hand it to you. I'm sorry, sir. This is my cousin's gun.
Okay,
It's not
all right,
his.
we'll figure it out.
This is my ex-boyfriend's cousin. Can you call my mom?
No, you'll do that later. All right, let's finish the search.
Yep.
Get her a position we can.
Yep. Just make sure nothing else. Right?
My life is over. I didn't do nothing, I promise. I go to the gun range. I'm clean. You can search me, I promise, yo. I promise, yo, my dead cousin. I don't got nothing. I go to the gun range with my brother, my cousin. Oh, man. I might be pregnant, too. I don't know.
All right, is she searched?
Yeah,
Let's bring
you
her
can
up.
search
Go and
me.
stand up.
Come on.
Yeah, I'll stand up.
Here we go,
Can you pick
stand
up
up.
my glasses?
Stand up, stand up.
Take care of that?
Yeah. Let's finish the search and then.
Sydney was charged with carrying a concealed weapon, DUI, and obstruction without violence. She pleaded to the CCW and obstruction charges and was sentenced to 3 days of confinement, with credit for time served. The DUI case is still pending.
I know how to walk. I know how to walk. I know how to walk.
On August 27th, 2023, in New Mexico, an officer responded to a sergeant's call for backup during a traffic stop. The sergeant was conducting field sobriety tests on a male driver when a blue Chevrolet pulled up and a woman, claiming to be the driver's mother, exited the vehicle. As the officer explained the driver's arrest for DWI, the mother rolled her eyes. The situation escalated when the driver resisted arrest and the mother jumped on the sergeant's back.
Officer, please tell me. Because he's trying to have me stand obnixily on rexually.
I'm going to continue the instructions, okay?
I don't have to sound like that. I'm not a cop. I only have to
Leave your hands behind your back, okay?
Your mom can pick your car up if she wants. I got no problem with that.
Why are you doing this?
How old are you?
I just turned 19, bro.
19? Okay.
I just turned 19.
All right. Hey, let's come over here and I'll tell you. Okay. Okay? First of all, your son's been drinking. He's drunk.
I have
He's
been
not-
drinking.
he-
They have no experience that I've been drinking, bro. Look at them.
Okay?
I have my shoes off.
He's refusing to do any of our tests. For some reason, he
Tell
thinks
him
we're
to
going
do
to
a
beat
drug
him
test,
up. I don't know
Mom.
why.
Mom, tell him to
But
do a drug
everything's on
test.
recording, both
Go
units.
ahead.
Both units are recording. Both our body cams are on. I don't know where this is coming from that you think that we're going to beat you up. Nobody's even yelled at you or anything. If you listen to him, he's the one with the cussing and everything else. But so right now he's being arrested for DWI. We're going to let you have the car, okay? That way you don't have to pay a toll bill.
No, please don't do this, man. Please.
We already did, okay?
Please.
We've already have it.
Hey! Hey!
Nuh-uh.
No, don't you hit my kid!
I don't give a
Tell her not to leave that, not to touch that officer.
Quit! Stop! You better quit! Hey!
Oh, you hit me! What the is wrong with you?
You touched the other officer. You attacked him. You want to get charged with battery on a police officer?
Calm down, guys.
What the man? There's not so much shit on my purse. What's wrong with you? Look, a considerate officer. What the is your problem, man?
You don't touch him.
I didn't hit him.
You jumped on his back.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Don't touch my kid. Don't touch my kid. You got some problem.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Don't touch my kid.
Okay, whatever.
You, eh?
Who?
You. You.
Keep it up.
Nah. Hey, where's my stuff?
What stuff did you lose?
I don't know what else I don't know. Ask this punk hitting a girl. Who is the girl?
I didn't hit you.
Problem?
I didn't hit you.
What's your problem?
I didn't hit you.
You, eh?
Your problem is you're drunk.
You.
You
Who
can't
cares if
hey,
I'm drunk? I don't give a Don't come and hit a.
I didn't hit you.
Don't hit a bitch.
I pulled you off of his back.
You're a
Oh, okay. Whatever.
you, eh?
Oh, yeah.
What? Okay, hold on. Let me put on my shoes.
Put your shoes
We can
on.
do it. We can do it if you want. We can do whatever the you want. But don't fucking hit her.
I didn't hit
What's your
you.
problem?
Listen.
You guys don't hit my kid. What's your
I didn't hit your kid.
where you did?
Hey.
You did hit my kid.
Ma'am, listen
You
to
did.
me.
You right?
Listen.
The responding officer intervened and detained the mother, who continued to confront and threaten the officers. The male suspect was charged with aggravated DWI, resisting arrest, and improper equipment, while the female suspect was charged with battery on a peace officer and resisting arrest.